Well, it's a rainy old day, but I just thought I'd show you something that is of interest. This is our bin for leaf mould. Now, you can see the back fence. When we were collecting leaf, the leaf was higher than that back fence. Can you see it's gone down nearly, in my old-fashioned money, 18 inches or half a metre down? And this will produce the most incredible leaf mould. Okay, there's a bit of sticky weed there, but look how it's going down. If you get to the bottom, it'll be pure and utter leaf mould. So never waste your leaves. If you've got room to create a bin like this, okay, we've got plenty of room here to create a lovely bin full of leaf, and not everybody's got that room. But even if you make a small square unit out of chicken wire or old pallets, anything like that, and just add leaf after leaf after leaf, especially if you've got oak leaves, which take a long time to rot down, and you can see most of this is oak and it's going to take a fair time. Some people mix in grass cuttings with it. Ours is just twig and leaf, nothing else. We separate grass is on a separate heap, but we do add a bit of leaf to our grass as well to help it going stodgy. So there you are, a couple of little tips on making leaf mould. The quick way, of course, to make leaf mould is to put it in a black bag. If you haven't got any room at all, stuff it behind the shed, black dustbin bag, punch a couple of holes in it, and you could leave it there for a year and it should produce leaf mould fairly quickly. If not, just let nature take its time, as we have here. More tips from Ken Crowther at World Radio Gardening. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to tell you more about compost in the future as well.